much. Okay. Welcome to 2-day challenge, guys. So, day 1, we'll talk about ano yung dapat maintindihan nyo. So, Forex trading, if you are new. If I'm a newbie, ano ba yung dapat maintindihan ko? Ano ba yung mga terms? Ano ba yung dapat talaga na malaman ko about Forex trading? That's number 1. That's for today. It's like theory. But meron akong bonus at meron akong assignment sa inyo. Okay. Tomorrow, uulitin ko, we will teach you how to execute your trade using your cell phone step by step. Therefore, this training is not for yung marunong na talaga mag-trade. But if you want to review, feel free. Kasi mamaya, baka may makukuha din kayo. Review lang naman to kung wala kayong ginagawa. So, feel free to do so. So, this training or workshop is originally actually designed for those who are new. Yung mga bago pa lang talaga. By the way, guys, itong klaseng training na ito, binabayaran ito sa ibang mga kaibigan natin. Okay? Sa mga kaibigan natin sa ibang community. Normally, ang bayad nito is 7,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 pinakamababa. Pero dito is you will access it for free sa community. Okay? So, hinihingi ko lang, maglagay ka lang kayo ng mga positive comments dun sa GC, at least may encourage yung iba. Yun lang yung hinihingi ko. Bilang and return for giving you the value tonight. All right, let's start. By the way, for those who are new, which majority bago dito, pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. I am Nars Paraguya from Cagayan de Oro, graduate at Ateneo, 10 years sa digital business. I'm an entrepreneur. I owned a mountain resort. I'm a licensed financial consultant. So if you're looking for a person na licensed na will talk about financial management, financial literacy, and investment, so I am licensed to do that. So I started Forex trading since 2017, pero actually bumalik ako last year lang kasi yung previous experience ko hindi maganda. And then I found a community, Bisaya Trading Community, and eventually dumami tayo, nagiging Kabayan Trading Community kasi maraming OFW na nag-involve. Okay? So this is me. Bakit kita ginagawa? Because I want to have a quality life. I want to have a quality life. Just earlier, mga 4:30 p.m., nag-trade ako, and then after that, I kind of feel boring. So I asked my wife, can you go with me? We went to shop. We went to, nagbili kami ng mga fruits kasi sa mga bata, gusto nila mag-mango float. And then, pumunta kami sa isa sa magandang coffee shop na mayroon siyang sunset. So, ganun yung life ko. Bakit ko ginagawa? Kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng quality life. May time ako sa mga loved ones ko at may budget din ako para sa kanila. Who wants to have a quality life? Can you type QL? QL, quality life. Bakit ko ito ginagawa? It's very important, guys, na malaman nyo bakit nyo ito ginagawa. Kasi kung tinitingnan mo lang yung how and what, dumating yung time na may mga challenges ka, maraming hindi nagsusurvive. But if you know the reason, ano yung why mo, syempre, di ba? Lahat ng mga successful may mga challenges yan. Walang success na hindi dumaan ng mga challenges. Kahit nga exam ng kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, may mga challenges yan. But why I'm doing this one? Because I want to have time for my family and I want to have budget for my family. So yan ang nai-enjoy ko na kaya nga, this is the reason why you are here. If you really learn this seriously, may enjoy mo rin. Kasi kung nagagawa namin, walang dahilan na hindi mo magagawa. Alright? So, nandito pa pala. By the way, just 3 months, 4 months ago, bumili kami ng tawag nito Montero Sport kasi yung previous car ko, I sold it out because sa mga financial issues, financial problem namin sa business. But thank God, bumalik itong sigla, yung financial aspect ng buhay natin because of this Forex business na napasukan natin. So lahat yan, this one is katas ng Forex trading. Okay. So, ang pag-uusapan natin talaga, guys, is how to earn dollars in Forex trading. So lahat ng mga screenshots dyan na makikita nyo dun sa mga GCs na ma-result natin, yes, nagtatanong kayo, is that dollar? The answer is Yes, dollar po yan. Yung currency po natin sa Forex is pinaka-main currency natin is dollar. So pag-uusapan natin tonight, how to earn dollars. Who's excited to earn dollars in the financial market? Okay. Can you type dollars or just let me know that you are here and you're excited? So, sabi ni Dan Luke is very familiar nowadays, no? Na features sa Forbes magazine. If you're not making money online in this era, this time, this generation, itong panahon ngayon, if you're not making money online in this era, you are missing the biggest shift of wealth creation in history. Ulitin ko, if you're not make money online in this era, you are missing the biggest shift of wealth creation. Ibig sabihin, ang pinakamalaking paraan para gumawa ng pera ngayon is nasa online. And congratulations, kasi nandito ka. Okay? Nasabi naman ng isang Forex mentor, if you're living we are living in the easiest time in the history to build wealth. You just need a phone, cell phone, pakimute naman lang madam, internet, baka mag-face mask lahat ng mga tao. A phone, an internet, and a right mindset. So bakit kayo nandito? Because you want to have a skill and a right mindset. Anong ibig sabihin? This is the easiest time to make money in the history. Guys, I'll share my story. Last year, actually, hindi lang last year, I was with financial crisis. In fact, ito mga ganitong time last year, March, April, malaking problema ko because hindi namin mabayaran yung tuition namin sa school. Yes, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm a businessman, but 2 years ago, I closed my company, pinauwi ko lahat yung 50 employees ko. So that was one of the most challenging moment of my life. For 2 years, nag-struggle ako. I'd been looking for opportunity. I'd been looking for business. I've been starting with business. So mayroon akong ginawang mga businesses, traditional businesses, physical businesses, pero it seems that it's not working well. Kasi alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, guys, hindi madali mag-build ng business, lalo na kung maliit lang yung capital mo. And that was the time that bagsak. So what happened to me was, I sold my 2 cars. Una kong car na bininta was my Ford pickup, bininta ko. And then after that, after naubos yun, kasi wala pa masyadong pumapasok na pera, I sold my FG Cruiser. And then pinakalas na bininta ko, guys, is I sold our car. That was the saddest moment for me kasi ang hirap i-explain sa mga anak ko bakit kailangan namin mag-rent ng bahay, bakit kailangan namin gawin ito kasi may bahay naman. Di ba yung mga bata hindi lang ma-explain. But lahat ng yan, I endure it. Sabi ko, Lord, kung ito yung binadaan mo sa akin, okay lang, endure ko lahat, Lord. Gabayan mo lang ako. Pray to God. I quit from praying. For 2 years, very shaky at turbulence talaga. To the fact that konting news lang, grabe yung anxiety mangyayari sa akin. However, just exactly last year, July, I've been praying to God for opportunity and I'm really looking for this one. Nakita itong Forex trading. So, kung na friend sa Facebook, mute. Guys, pakimute naman. Nawala kasi tuloy yung drama ko. So, in short, guys, I started na mahirap, walang-wala. Kaya yung pinakita ko na nakabaon kami ulit, nakabili ako ng bagong sasakyan. At the easiest way, kaya sinasabi ko, easiest way to make money online. Kaya, congratulations, 175 participants. This is, kung tatanungin nyo, worth it ba, guys? It's so worth it. Bakit kailangan nating aralin? One of my mentor, guys, was a former seaman. Sa pagsisiman niya, kailangan niya mag-aral 5 years. Okay? Kailangan niya mag-intern at least 1 to 2 years. So lahat na yan for 7 years, lahat yan pag-aaral, walang kita, puro expenses yan. Dumating yung time na kapag kontrata siya sa Singapore, so nag-abroad siya. So mayroon siyang sweldo na around 100 plus thousand to 200,000 Siman. So, my mentor here in Forex. Okay? Pero 7 years niyang inaral, guys. 7 years niyang inaral para makakuha sa those kind of salary na mahirap, not even umaabot ng 200,000. Now, nasa Forex trading siya. More than 1 year pa lang siya sa Forex trading, guys. Pero kita niya na 1 month doon, kaya niyang kikitain dito sa isang araw. So, kaya ang question ko, worth it ba itong aralin? Nasa sayo ang sagot. Kung what kind of trade, anong klaseng willing to pay the price ang gagawin mo para mabago yung financial status ng buhay mo. Kaya we are living in the easiest time to make money. So, let's go. How to earn dollar. Disclaimer lang po, Forex trading involves significant risk. This is not for everyone. Kung hindi ka risk taker, natatakot ka, medyo, I'm sorry for the word, medyo duwag kang mag-invest or duwag kang mag-start ng new, this is not for you. This is only for people who are risk taker, medyo matapang-tapang. Yun lang yung term natin dito. So, and true enough, wala ko nakita ng successful na tao na hindi risk taker. So, kaya kailangan natin siyang aralin ng tama kasi delikado yung capital mo. Kung mag-capital ka man, mayroon ka pera, bro, may capital ako, may pera ako, kaya kong 1,000 USD, 50,000 ilagay dyan. Sabihin po ko sa'yo, bro, wag, sayang yung capital mo. Ang suggestion ko, aralin mo muna kasi pwedeng 1 click, 2 click, ma-wipe out yung capital mo. Kaya it's a high risk business, but it's also very rewarding. Overview in this session, introduction to Forex trading, 10 minutes. Forex terminologies, 30 minutes. Understanding currency pairs, 20 minutes. Types of trading, around 10 to 15 minutes. And then, what are the apps, application, platforms, and assignment na ibibigay ko sa iyo. Yun ang overview natin. Guys, listen. This is not entertaining. This training is not for entertaining. Hindi ka matatawa, hindi ka matutuwa, hindi. Pero kung alam mo ano yung ginagawa mo, nai-enjoy ka. Hindi ito kagaya na manood ka ng telenovela, manonood ka ng movie that is very entertaining. Hindi. Sometimes it's getting boring. But sasabihin ko sa inyo, this is the kind of trading or training na pwedeng mabago yung financial na buhay mo. Kaya tiis-tiis lang. Okay? So, I try my best not to get so boring. By the way, guys, dahan-dahan lang muna tayo. Hindi ko to bibilisan kasi meron naman tayong time. Pwede ka namang mag-question. Okay. Yes, I like this one. Learning is not boring. Yeah, if you love learning, it's not really boring after all. Pero actually, before when I started it, I feel like kind of boring. But I really like to discipline myself para gusto ko lang makuha yung mga gusto ko makuha sa buhay. Okay? So, at least alam nyo na hindi ito ganito kasaya. Hindi ito same na manood ng mga Coco Martin show or I don't know, I'm not into TV and I'm not into novelas. Anyway, let's start. Day 1, we will talk about theory. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin. And then you need to understand theory and then day 2 will go for the trade execution. So day 2 yung workshop natin, papakita namin sa'yo step by step using your cellphone, anong gagawin mo. And then at the end of day 1 tonight, magbigay ako ng assignment anong gagawin mo in preparation for day 2. Alright? So let's start. What is Forex trading? Forex trading, guys, it's foreign exchange. It's a global market. It's a global marketplace. Buying and selling currencies. So it's really buy and sell business. Pero currency. Pera. Pero hindi mo mahaka ng pera kasi digital. Kaya may nagsabi sa akin, di ba lahat ng digital, bro, is scam? Di ba? Hindi mo nasagot yan. Digital, hindi mahawakan yung product. Scam ba yan? Okay. Now, may question ako sa'yo. Sino dito gumagamit ng CapCut? Di ba hindi mahawakan? Di ba digital? Sino dito gumagamit ng e-book? Di ba hindi siya physical? Di ba digital? Sino dito gumagamit ng Microsoft? Di ba digital? hindi siya physical. Pero those are millions or even billion industry. Bitcoin. Sino na daw nakahawak ng Bitcoin? Literally. Hindi ba natin alam kung ano yung Bitcoin? Sinasabi nila na mining na yan. At ito ba pinaka-mysterious? Hindi kilala kung sino yung founder. Pero walang picture, walang mukha if it is really a real person or it is a fiction. Tawag to fiction or something like that. Or gawang tawag, gawang isip na tao, fiction. Bitcoin. Yes. You heard it right. That's true. Pero grabe. Meron bang yung mayaman ng Bitcoin? Yes. Meron bang naging milyonaryo ng Bitcoin? Yes. Marami. Meron bang nag-invest ng Bitcoin? Yes. As a matter of fact, top companies, they're investing Bitcoins. Presidents, Donald Trump, President of Argentina, they're investing in the stock market, and these are all physical tradings. I mean, these are all digital. So it's a global market, buy and sell digital. Bakit digital? Kasi cellphone lang. Cellphone lang. Known as a currency. Now that I enjoy digital business, kung tatanungin mo ako, babalik ba ako sa traditional physical business? Sabi ko, naku, ang gulo. Mayroon pang BIR, mayroon pang dami. Gulo. Dito na ako sa physical. Hindi nila alam yung mga transactions natin. Basta alam na natin paano mag-work around the mga withdrawals. Ituturo ko din naman sa inyo yan kung nag-abot na kayo ng maabot na kayo ng 500,000 and up na withdrawals monthly. Kung can't clear here volume. Guys, volume check. Kung klaro ba yung volume ko? Volume check, sound check. Let me know. Yes, okay ba yung volume? Let me know. Clear naman. Okay, so that means bro, nasa iyo yung kailangan mo i-adjust. Okay, hindi dito. Anyway, so that's Forex trading. Sabi ni Forex.com, Forex daily trading volume. Ilan ba lahat? Ano ba yung volume? Ano ba yung pera involved dito every day? Okay. Forex.com said that Forex trading volume approximately 7.5 trillion. Wow. 7.5 trillion, guys. This is not million. This is not billion. This is trillion. And that's a survey in 2022. So how much more ngayon? Siguro 8 trillion na. Okay? Is that weekly? Is that monthly? No. Ang sinasabi dito, daily trading volume. Ibig sabihin, every day, mayroong 3.7 trillion worth of transactions sa Forex trading. Yes, you heard it right. Ganon kalaki, ganon kabigat, ganon katindi, ganon kayaman ang industry. Now, I have good news for you. Because you are in Forex trading, you have now the access. Ulitin ko. Because you are in Forex trading, you have now the access. Kukurot, mamintas, mag-harvest, kukuha. That's the term. Mukuhit. At least kahit konti man lang. Kukurot. Okay, I'm not sure what's the term in the Tagalog. Kung sa Bisaya pa ka lang. Munguhit lang ba? Munguhit lang taga ba? Ano ba yung term dyan? Can you help me guys? What's the term for in the Tagalog? Mukuhit lang ka ba? Kuhit lang tagamay. Out of 7.5 trillion guys, mukuhit lang ta sa market. Kahit 100 USD per day lang. Kumurot. Yes, thank you, Ninette. Kumurot. No. Kukurot. Tama ba yan? Kukurot lang tayo ng konti, guys. Sinong dito gustong kukurot? Can you type kukurot? Mamintas. Kukurot lang tayo, guys. Huwag na yung 7 trillion. Maguguluhan yung... Kukurot lang tayo ng konti. In 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes, whatever your strategies. Guys, the good news is that, I want you to understand this one. The moment that you are in financial market, mayroon kang app, alam mo paano mag-trade, ibig sabihin, mayroon kang access sa 7.5 trillion na pera na yaman doon sa buong mundo. Sinabi lang, may gold daw sa Pilipinas, billion-billion, kaya naupo si Marcos ulit. That's political, but nonetheless, people are hoping nakukurot doon sa gold na yan. Hanggang ngayon, wala naman, di ba? Pero ito yung totoo. The moment na nasa app ka, kukurot ka lang, mayroon kang access The richest, the wealthiest industry, nandito ka. Kukurot ka lang. Yun yung aaralin natin kung paano kukurot. Pipitas, I like the term. Okay. So, marami bang nagtitrade? Sino nagtitrade? Baka, you know what? It's so amazing. In Dubai, in other countries, in Europe, pag sinasabi, I am a forex trader, financial, oh, you're a forex trader, you're a millionaire. Di ba? Nagkaka-Lamborghini. But what amazed me, in the Philippines, you're a forex trader. Oh, you're a scammer because you're a forex trader. So, perspective is clearly that people don't know. At hindi natin ma-blame. Ginagamit naman ito ng mga scammer talaga para makapag-scam. Kaya, the only way na may scam ka kung hindi mo ito aaralin. 100%. Pero ngayon may access na tayo. Libre nga sa community natin para mag-aral lang. Just like tonight. So, hindi ka na may scam. Kasi the only way na may scam ka, magbigay ka ng pera because doon mo ilagay sa kanya para magti-trade. By the way, may gumagamit sa pangalan ko ha. Medyo sikat na kasi. Pero I'm not happy with that na asking Ev na mag-invest ka sa trade ko na madodoble, ma-times 10, ma-times... So, meron. In fact, yesterday may nag-message sa akin. So, the only way may scam ka kung mag-send ka ng money. Wag kang mag-send ng money. Okay? So, hindi ako yan. Alam natin yan. First webinar pa lang, I don't ask any investment. What I do, I teach. Kung nahihirapan ka, hindi mo gustong aralin, meron tayong AI trading para sa AI magti-trade para sa'yo. Now, back to the topic. How many forex traders, guys? There are approximately 10 million forex traders in the whole world. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Literal na milyones. Milyon katao ang nagtitrade. At kasi maraming sabi ng OFW, nandito ako sa Saudi, can I trade? Nandito ako sa Canada, can I trade? Hello, forex trading is not only in the Philippines, this is worldwide business. Kahit saan ka, as long as nasa mundo ka, as long as you're in Mars. I might even thinking that kung may cellphone ka sa Mars and may internet ka, I think you can trade. Kasi may access ka sa financial market. Okay? May access ka sa tinatawag natin na market. So, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ang dami pala natin. 10 millions of traders nagtitrade tayo. Okay? So, wag kang mag-invest yan. It's not me. Hindi ako nanghihingi ng pera. Nagbibigay lang ako ng value. Nagtuturo. Okay? So, where is forex trading most popular? Okay? Popular, 3.2 million in Asia, in Europe, in North America, 1.5 million each, Africa, Middle East, and other Central Americas and Oceania. So, ibig sabihin, worldwide talaga si forex trading. Alright? Terminologies. By the way, guys, you can ask question ha. Medyo palalim ng palalim tayo. So, hindi ito, you can ask questions on the chat box. Sana magamit ko rin kay Binary. Okay, bro. By the way, guys, okay lang ba? Would you allow me na gumagamit ako ng mga maaanghang na salita or real talk? Kasi real business and real success, kailangan naman ng real talk. And I'm not here para magpa-impress. I'm not here to babysit you. Guys, I tell you the truth, in the business world, I'm already more than 20 years in the business world. You need to address hard facts, hard reality, head on. Tamang usapan. Hindi yung binibabysit mo. Bro, binary, lumabas ka sa binary. Binary is not forex trading. Binary is gambling. It's a manipulation of forex trading. You can't get analyzed there. Walang analysis si binary kasi yung time na manipulate ka. So if I were you, but if you want to go there, continue. It's still very related. Pero si binary kasi, parang clone siya. Bakit ko nasabi yan? Kasi galing ako sa binary. Binary options for more than a year din before ako talagang na, parang hirap ipanalo ito. Parang suga lang talaga. So, yun. Yun yung advice ko. But that's your life. You can do whatever you want. Magagamit ko rin sa crypto. Yes, pwede. Kasi yung principles, binary options, ubos 180 ko. Yeah. Kasi ano yung binary options? Para siyang sugal. Manipulated yung ano nila. Yung chart nila. Anyway, so sinong nagki-trade? Who are the players in trading? Market participants in Forex ecosystem. Number 1, retail traders tayo. Okay. Number 2, Forex brokers. By the way, bakit kailangan ng broker? Hindi po kayo makapag-trade kung walang broker. Okay? Bakit kailangan ng MT5? 90% of the brokers, legit brokers using MT5 kasi si MT5 ang tested and proven pinakamabilis na app para mag-trade. Now, kung may nasalihan kayo na may sariling stand-alone platform nila, that is fishy. Okay, uulitin ko, that is fishy. Kung wala silang MT5, kung wala silang MT4, then may stand-alone platform sila, mag-research ka, kasi usually dun yung mga scam na mga website na ginagamit yung Forex. At least now you know. Okay? So you need Forex trader to trade. Institutional traders. Sino itong mga institutional traders? These are big players in Forex trading. Okay? So, sino ito? Governments, companies, like stock market companies, mga institutional, financial market companies na ang ginagawa lang talaga nila is nagtitrade. Meron silang empleyado talaga na nagtitrade. Bilyon-bilyon, sila yung tinitrade nila yung mga pera ng mga mayayaman. So, institutional traders. Banks are also considered as institutional traders. Central banks are also considered as institutional traders. So, ito, big players ito. Okay. Liquidity providers. Okay, sino to si liquidity providers? Di ba nagtitrade tayo, mayroong money involved? Sila yung nagpo-provide dyan. Para kung gusto mong mag-withdraw, pwede ka makapag-withdraw. Bakit ako nakapag-withdraw? Saan galing? May mga liquidity providers. For most cases, brokers are also liquidity providers. Some institutional traders are also liquidity providers. Kumbaga sila yung mga financier. Sila yung mga malalaki. Pero other brokers, they're not liquidity providers, pero mayroon silang tie-up na liquidity providers. Okay? Kasi sila yung nagbabayad every time na mananalo ka. Okay? So, kailangan may mga liquidity providers or financiers. So, these are the 4 major players in the ecosystem of Forex trading. Copy? Learning? Copy. So, what are the types of traders? Okay, dito. So, 4 types of traders or trading. Ang titingnan mo sa sarili mo, saan ka? Okay. Number 1 is scalping. Scalping is that ang time frame mo dito sa market is only 5 minutes. M1, 5 minutes. Pwede kang titingin sa 30 minutes, 1 hour for confirmation of the trend and the market movement, the price action. Pero itong trade na ito, magti-trade ka lang 30, pinakamatagal 30 minutes. 15 minutes. Ako, natapos na ako, nag-trade kanina 5-10 minutes. Tapos na. Out sa market. But I'm not saying na bakit to namin ginagawa? Kasi inaral din namin to. Months after months. Hanggang ngayon, nag-aral pa rin ako. Months after months na inaaral namin. Scalping. Okay. Next is day trade. Day trade is yung parang mag-trade ka ng umaga or mag-trade ka ng hapon tapos mamaya mo pang i-close. So, pero hindi naman lahat anytime nasa screen ka. Nagmamonitor ka lang sa cellphone mo. Kaya ang suggestion ko kung mag-trade ka, lalo kung bago ka pa lang, use cellphone MT5. Cellphone lang. Cellphone lang. Hindi pala klaro pag naka-blur. Okay. Cellphone lang. Cellphone MT5. Cellphone lang. Para kahit saan ka, gusto mong i-close yung market. Okay. Swing traders, these are more on days or even weeks. Ito yung tinitingnan nila yung mga major high, major low, major support, major support resistance. More on long term. Iba-iba din yung mga account. Kapag swing trader ka, gumagamit ka na ng mga swap free account kasi every time nag-overnight yung trade mo, may swap dyan. Ibig sabihin, may charge. Okay. and position traders. Position traders are long-term, especially in crypto. So you're more on a position traders. Okay, hinahayaan mo lang. I have a friend na nag-position trader siya sa gold. Mayroon siyang trade sa gold na 2,800. So ngayon si gold is hindi ako nag-trade ng gold lately, pero babalikan ko ito sa gold. Naka-focus kasi ako sa US 30 for now. Ano na ba si gold, guys? What's the 3.3? Umabot pa si gold ng 3.5? Let me know in the chat box kung sino mga nagtitrade na dito at ano yung pinaka highest price ni XAU USD. Oh, 4K. Umabot ng 4K, really? 3.4 all-time high yata. O sige na sa mga 3.5. Okay. So, long term naman yon, weeks or even months. So now, saan ka? Most likely, pag bago ka pa lang, tinitingnan mo dito is scalper or day trade. Scalper or day trade. Bakit scalper ka lang? Kasi, di ba, hindi mo pa ito full time. And then, if you are really impatient and if your personality is aggressive, go for scalping. Okay? So this is also based on your personality. So if you think that you are patient and then gusto mong tingnan mataas yung chart, ako gusto kong tingnan konti lang, trade tapos labas, exit, hangin na sa labas. Ganun ako. Yun yung personality ko. But either nag-aaral ako 1 hour. 1 hour, 2 hours, inaaral ko yan. Nag-i-enjoy ako. Walang problem because I know that it pays. But if you are really impatient ka, sino dito mga impatient? Gusto mong like someone asked me, bro, paano ba mag-trade? Sabi ko, bro, can you join our webinar? I-chat mo na lang. Sabi ko, bro, learning Forex takes 6 months for you to learn. Tapos gusto mong i-chat ko lahat sa'yo in the matter of, di ba? Kahit ito lang, itong 2 days lang natin, 2 days, 2 hours, so 4 hours. Gusto mong i-chat ko lang. So, you're impatient. Sabi ko, bro, I think you're not patient. So, hindi ganoon siya kadali. Just like asking me, paano ba mag-drive ng kotse? I-chat mo lang sa akin para malaman ko. No, it's not, hindi ganoon. So, kailangan mo talaga siyang aralin in theory and in application para malaman mo. XM gamit ko, walang problema XM. No problem. You can use your own broker as long as legit. Pero kung tatanong ka kung ano yung promote ko, ginagamit ko ngayon is VT Markets for manual trade and Light Finance for our AI trading. Walang problema. Instant withdrawal. No issues. And kung may issues ka, let me know kasi may backdoor tayo. Medyo malakas tayo dun sa mga support nila. So, dati ako sa XM. Matagal ako sa XM. Malaking fund ko dyan. I have like 7 digit in peso in XM before. Malaki yung fund namin dyan sa XM before. So, matagal ako dyan, but now, mas nakafocus ako. Gusto ko dito sa, anyway, so much for that. So, guys, tingin ninyo, what kind of trader are you? Mamili ka, anong gusto mo? Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Day trader, guys, more likely go for chart like 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Okay? So, what kind of trader are you? Can you type? Anong gusto mong, what kind of trader are you? While cha-charge ko muna itong laptop ko. Scalper, day trader. Yes. Anong kaibahan, coach? Anong kaibahan? Yun nga, kaka-explain ko nga lang eh. Kaka-explain ko nga lang. Gusto mo ulitin ko from the start? Okay. So, yun yung day trade, swing trade, scalping. So, kanya-kanyang preference yan. So, ano-ano yung mga assets na iti-trade natin? Assets. Okay. Hindi lang pala Forex. Okay. Forex case, when you speak about Forex currency, ito Euro USD, USD GPY, USD CAD, ganyan. Forex, currency, foreign exchange. Okay. We also trade like shares of stocks sa market. Okay. Sa VIP community tayo, mayroon tayong maganda nagtuturo nito. Si Jessica Ramos, American. Indexes. I trade indexes. Okay. Interest rates, ETF, bonds. Hindi na natin isa-isahin kasi kahit Forex pa lang, medyo ano na. So, ang question ko, si XAU USD or si gold, saan siya nabilong? Saan nabilong si XAU? You can guess, it's okay. Forex. Si XAU USD, saan siya nabilong? Shares, indexes. Saan nabilong si XAU? Si XAU USD is nabilong siya sa commodities under metal. Commodities under metal. So, hindi siya Forex, hindi siya indexes. Si US30, DG30, saan nabilong? Wow, tatalino pala. Gagaling na pala yung mga audience natin tonight, ha? Sige. Manghiring na mo din niya sa strategy na mo, ha? Ali na ko istorya. Hindi ka sa... Okay. So for tonight, focus man tayo sa Forex, but yes, the concept and the strategies is applicable for indexes, commodities, or even Bitcoin. Okay. So, ito, Forex. Exchange USD to Euro. Okay. Now, let's go with the currency pairs. Okay. Currency pairs, guys, is pinaka-basic currency pairs. Gusto mo ng pairs na pinaka-mababa yung spread at saka pinaka-madaling i-follow at saka medyo conservative, go for Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. So, sa lahat ng pair, kasi pair nga, meaning pares, etong unang currency, unang pera, ang tawag dyan is base. Okay? Base. Base. Etong pangalawa, ang tawag is quote. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, guys, bibili ka ng dollar, anong gagamitin mo? Bibili ka ng dollar. Gamit yung euro para bibili ka ng dollar. Exchange nga, di ba? Exchange. Exchange of heart. So, how about XAU? XAU USD. So, ang base is si XAU gold. Ibig sabihin, bibili ka ng USD na currency gamit yung gold. Or in other way around, bibili ka ng gold gamit yung USD. In other way around, bibili ka ng euro gamit yung USD. Now, bakit ito importante? Okay, listen up. Bakit ito importante? Di ba may tinatawag na news, high impact news, or fundamental analysis? I think ba kanina may news, may lakad kasi ako, hindi ako na-monitor. May news, okay. So, example, bakit ito importante? Example, ang news is about USD. Okay? And ibig sabihin, guys, ang USD is, halimbawa, may magandang news about sa US, si Donald Trump, no, about economy, na it could help the US economy to go up. So, tataas yung currency ng USD. Okay. Pero, anong mangyayari sa chart? So, if your pair is Euro USD, ang chart is, hindi siya tataas. Ang chart is bababa ang direction. Kasi magwi-weak si Euro, mag-i-strong si Euro USD. Ganun importante yung base at saka quote. Copy. Copy? Learning? Learning. Okay. So key points about bid. Andito na tayo ngayon sa bid price and ask price. Ibig sabihin, buyer willing to pay and ask price is the lowest seller willing to pay. So, ibig sabihin dyan, guys, is magkakaiba yung presyo pag bumili ka at kakaiba din yung presyo pag magbinta ka. Okay, good example. Marami dito FW. Okay, give me a country. Give me a currency na FW. Let's say Canada. So, you're from Canada, uwi ka sa Pilipinas. Magdadala ka ng Canadian dollar. Listen up, this is very important. Dito nalilito yung marami. GPY, okay, GPY. I'll use GPY. Japanese yen, lapad. Okay. Japanese yen lapad. Ang isang lapad, okay, sabihin natin punta ka doon sa black market malapit sa post office, okay, nagpapa-change ka o exchange or nag-foreign exchange ka, okay, nagpapalit ka ng lapad into peso, okay, iba yung presyo na yung lapad mo pinapalit mo sa peso, okay, ibig sabihin you sell your dollar, you sell your Japanese yen for PHP. Copy? At iba yung presyo, halimbawa umuwi ka na sa Japan. Tapos may gusto mong magkaroon ng Japanese currency kasi at least pagdating mo dun sa airport or nag-vacation ka, pumunta ka sa Japan, hindi tatanggapin yung peso doon. So sa black market, gusto mong bumili ng Japanese yen o lapad. Okay? Japanese yen. So ang gagawin mo dyan, magdala ka ng peso, bibinta mo yung peso mo in return for your GPY. So ibig sabihin, iba yung presyo yung nagbibinta ka ng GPY at iba yung presyo ng bumibili ka ng GPY. Copy? Copy. Who's learning? Yan ang tinatawag na bid price at yan ang tinatawag na ask price. Copy? Copy? Kuha? Kuha? The difference between the two is yun ang tinatawag na spread. Doon kumikita ang mga broker sa spread. Mamaya explain natin. So more likely, ito yung itsura. This one, dito ka magsisell. Ito yung base. This one, dito ka magbabay. Okay? Copy? Hindi ba nalito? Okay lang. Kung nalilito ka, normal lang yan. Okay. So, kasi nasabi ko kanina that the difference, di ba bakit iba yung presyo ng buy at iba yung presyo ng sell? Okay. Let's say for example, another example, nagbabuy and sell ako ng sasakyan. Okay. Pinaka-common is, let's say, Hilux. Okay. Bibili ako ng Hilux kasi buy and seller ako, middleman ako, nasa gitna ako, broker ako, nasa gitna ako. Okay. Bibili ako ng Hilux ng 700. Okay. Tapos, ibebenta ko siya ng 750. So, ang difference sa gitna, ang tawag dyan is spread. Yun yung profit ko. Yun yung profit ng broker. Bakit may spread? Because it's business. Kailangan natin yung service nila. Kikita din sila. So may mga spread na low spread, may mga spread. Guys, sa strategy natin na US30, DG30, almost zero yung spread sa VT markets. And the good thing is instant yung withdrawal. No issues. I never had an issues. Okay, for almost 1 year. 8 months rather of using them. Okay, yun yung spread. Kaya kapag nagtitrade ka, ang una makikita mo dyan is pula, hindi blue. Red means you're negative and blue means you're positive. Kasi mayroon pang spread dyan. Okay? Sa gitna, mayroon pang spread. Ito yung gumagalaw itong dalawa. Spread. Anyway, learning by doing, malalaman nyo naman ito bukas. It's just theory. Copy? Question. Question. Okay lang ning agi o kalibog. Okay, ano mo lang yan bro? Kasi sa Tagalog iba yung libog. Iba rin yung commission. Para siyang commission. Pero may mga brokers talaga. Okay, let's say, yes, maghanap. Mayroon akong tinatawag na mga brokers na zero spread. Meron. Pero especially sa currency, zero spread nga lang pero mataas yung commission. Kasi this is business. Okay, this is business. Nahiloy, dinadahan-dahan ko nga. Di ba? Dinadahan-dahan ko nga. Okay? At I explain it in a very layman's term para maintindihan. Okay. So, leverage. Ano itong leverage? Okay. Anong leverage? 1:1, 1:100. Di ba kapag nag-ano ka? So, if you're into our community and then you want to create an account, you will set ano yung leverage mo, which is mamaya, yun yung assignment niyo and magbibigay kami kung paano, guide kung paano mo siya gawin. Okay. If you're nagki-create ka ng account, itong gagawin mo. Okay? So, your investment, your leverage, and your buying power. Okay. Ibig sabihin, guys, that yung set mo na leverage, kung mataas yung leverage mo, mataas yung buying power mo. Okay? Maliit yung leverage mo, maliit yung buying power mo. Bakit ka pwedeng mag-trade ng mataas yung buying power mo? Kasi because of the broker or mga liquidity providers, pinahiram tayo ng pera para mag-trade ng malaki kahit maliit lang yung capital natin because of leverage. Okay, yun yung ibig sabihin. Yun lang. Very simple. Multiplier lang ng pera mo. Leverage. Don't complicate. Multiplier ng capital mo. Yun lang. So, ano mangyayari dyan? Ito yung leverage example. Ito yung example ng capital mo. Magde-drawing natin para makuha. Okay, ito yung example ng capital mo. Okay. Halimbawa, yung leverage mo is 2:1. Ibig sabihin, kahit yung capital mo is 1,000 USD, Pero you can trade as much as 2,000. Saan galing yung pera? Dahil sa broker, pinahiram ka. Okay? Tapos, if your trading value is 1%, ang ROI mo is 2%. Or magta times 2. Okay. Dito naman, trading leverage mo is 2,000 is to 1. Capital mo is 1,000. Your buying power mo is 200,000. Saan yung pera na yan? Saan kukunin? Galing sa broker, mga liquidity providers. Okay. Yung value mo is in 1%, ito yung kikitain mo, malaki. Okay, and yung ROI mo is malaki din. So, ibig sabihin, mataas yung broker mo, mataas yung leverage mo, malaki yung return mo na kita. Tama? Who agree? Sinong gusto? Okay. Who set ng leverage? Ikaw. When you open your trading account, by the way, you can open a broker account. You open a broker account, mag-create ka ng account sa VT Markets. Inside broker account, you can create trading account. Marami. Kasi iba-iba yan. Mayroong demo account, mayroong live account. Sa live account, mayroong cent account, mayroong standard account, may swap free account. Iba-iba yan. Marami. Halimbawa, yung trade mo is live, standard account. You can make two standard account, 3 standard account you can create. Every time you create that, you can create your own leverage. Meron bang savings? Doon ka na lang sa kooperatiba. Sa FICO. Doon ka na lang magsisave. Okay. So, thank you for the icebreaker. So, ibig sabihin, mas malaki yung leverage mo, mas malaki yung kikitain mo. Di ba ang ganda? Di ba ang ganda? Di ba? Paano yun? Don't worry kung mag-create ka ng account, ask someone na nag-add sa iyo sa GC, bibigyan ka nila ng instructions. May video tutorials na ginagawa ko para i-send sa iyo para i-follow through mo na lang. Okay. So like I said, this is theory. I know you're excited, but this is theory. Tomorrow is our actual. Okay, actual. Okay, copy leverage. However, leverage is a two-edged sword. Kung mananalo ka, mataas yung profit mo. However, subalit, datapwat, ilagay nyo na sa isip mo, kapag ka natalo ka naman, malaki yung deduction sa equity mo or sa capital mo. So if you're asking me anong broker, anong leverage ang tama, if you're aggressive, go to 500, 1,000. If you are conservative, go to 200 or below. But it doesn't matter if you're new and your capital is only 100 USD since maliit lang naman, you can go 500 or 1,000. But if you really want to be conservative, you can go the lower, the better, the conservative. Okay, the aggressive, the higher, the better. So kung ano yung dapat, kung ano magkano gusto mo, ikaw, it's up to you. Okay, but ideally, 500, 1,000 since nag-start pa naman tayo. So, at maliit lang naman yung capital. 100 USD lang guys, yung recommended ko na capital. Wag ng 1,000 muna. Wag, please, maawa ka sa capital mo. I-enroll mo na lang yan. So, another term guys is stop loss and take profit. Okay, stop loss and take profit. Si take profit, ito yung chart. Dito ka mag-entry. Okay. Dito. Let's say, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. Saan dito guys magandang mag-trade? Sa number 1, number 2, or number 3? Kung ikaw yung magti-trade, saan ka magti-trade? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Okay. Halimbawa, ito yung entry. Anong maraming sagot? Number 3. Okay. So, let's go for number 3. Halimbawa, dito ka mag-i-entry. Number 3. Dito ka. This is good for buy? Yes. Ito yung presyo na papasok. And then, nakita mo, candlestick, very good. So, marunong ka magbasa ng candlestick, which is hindi natin tinatopic yan ngayon. So, this is a kind of doji. Doji. And then, here and this one, nagkaroon siya ng, dito is 3 white soldier. So, it's a pattern for buy signal. So, it's very good for buy. So, kung titinan mo ito, sa higher time frame, guys, medyo, I'm sorry, medyo advanced konti. Titinan mo ito sa higher time frame, ang tawag nito is bullish engulfing pattern ito. So, it's good na mag-possession ka for buy. Okay, ibig sabihin for buy, ang anticipation mo is the market goes up. So, dito ka pumasok ngayon, number 3. Copy. Okay. So, yung target mo dito is ito yung take profit mo. Dito ka. Ibig sabihin, guys, you close the trade, you exit na profitable ka. Okay? Depende kung ano yung leverage mo at ano yung lot size, which is explain natin mamaya, ano ilalagay mo. Basta yung anticipation mo is dito ka pumasok, since the market sa tingin mo it's buy, dito ka mag-exit. Or, dito ka pumasok, ito yung TP number 1 mo, sure, kasi dito is a very strong support resistance level. Pwede ka dito mag-TP number 2, or dito TP number 2, TP number 3. Okay. So, ito yung tinatawag na TP1, TP2, TP3. Ito yung mga target mo. Pag tumaas yung presyo dyan, umaabot na yan, mag-exit ka sa market, kikita ka na. Pwede mo siyang i-sit automatic, modify, or pwede mo siyang i-manual if you're scalping. So, bukas ipapakita namin sa inyo kung paano gawin. Now, question. Paano kung magkamali yung anticipation mo? Paano kung magkamali yung anticipation? Kung magkamali yung anticipation mo, guys, is mayroon kang tinatawag na magsiset ka ng stop loss. Modify. Stop loss. Modify. So, anong ibig sabihin ng stop loss o modify? I-modify mo mag-stop loss ka hanggang dyan lang yung kaya mong isugal. Hanggang dyan lang yung kaya mong i-risk. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagkamali man, yung anticipation mo, hindi maliliquid or the layman's term, hindi mauubos o hindi masusunog yung pera mo kasi may stop loss siya. And that's part of risk management. Mayroon palang kanyan. Yes, meron. So that's take profit and stop loss. Question. Question. Anong oras na? Para estimate natin. Ay, malapit na. Okay. Walang question. So let's proceed to equity, balance, and leverage. Paano ito? Ito yung makikita mo dito sa ano mo? Dito. Sa MT5 mo. Equity, balance, and leverage. Anong ibig sabihin yan? If you have some questions, you can throw questions, okay? So, equity, balance, and leverage, ito yung balance mo, ito yung equity mo, ito yung margin mo, okay? So, anong ibig sabihin nito, guys? Ito yung makikita mo sa trade. Balance is ito yung kinapital mo. Kinapital. Equity is ito yung tradable mo. Okay. This one, equity, halimbawa, mayroon kang tinatawag na floating trade. Bakit siya 396? Kasi baka sa floating trade mo may negative 4 ka or negative 3.89. Floating. Diba? Kasi nag-negative. Okay. Ito, pag close dito, kung positive ka, ang balance ito dadagdag. Plus. Kung negative ka, magma-minus. Plus. Ito yung tinatawag na, ito yung capital mo. Pinaka-capital. May mga brokers like equity markets nagbibigay ng 50%. So, halimbawa mag-capital ka 1,000, bibigyan ka ng 50%. So, ang equity mo, madadagdag dyan ng 500. So, equity mo lahat is, ang tradable mo lahat is 1,500. Yun yung tinatawag natin na balance at saka equity. Free margin, guys, ito yung inaalaw based on your leverage ng broker na pwede mong i-trade. Tradable amount. So, the goal is yung margin level mo is mataas. Dapat hindi siya bababa ng 100%. Dito is mataas pa. 74K%. Napakataas pa yung tradable amount mo. Dapat hindi ito pupula at hindi ito bababa. Kasi kung bababa to, meaning to say, maliit na lang yung tradable amount mo, lalo kung malaki yung negative. Malaki yung negative, pula. Ilang digit yung negative. at magkakaroon yan ng margin call or magkakaroon yan ng layman's term, pagkasunog na wag naman sana. Copy. Questions so far? Okay. So these are the major pairs. You can throw your questions anywhere. Mabilis ba paggalaw ng candlestick? Depende sa market, no? The movement of the paggalaw ng candlestick is depende sa paggalaw ng presyo. So mayroon tayong tinatawag na the cost price action, okay? Sa price action, mayroon tayong tinatawag na volatility. Since na question mo naman ito, mamaya babalikan natin yan, itong mabilis paggalaw ng candlesticks. These are the major pairs. Euro USD, GUSD, GPY, lahat ng naka-major pairs, USD lahat yung pares nila. USD lahat. Euro USD, GBP USD. So these are the most tradable pairs. Bakit ito? Unang-una, because yung liquidity nila. That's number 1. Number 2, low spread. Number 3 is available yung tinatawag nila na mga news or fundamental analysis. So na-analyze mo. Alam mo, nandyan sa mga international news yung nangyari sa US. Nandyan sa mga international news ang nangyari sa Canada, sa Australia. So madali mo siyang matingnan, madali mo siyang ma-monitor. Let's say for example, may mga exotic or yung mga minor na saang country to wala sa news. So, hindi mo malaman. Plus, yung spread dyan is mataas. So, trade talaga sa major pairs. Okay. So, most tradable. Euro USD, USD GPY, GBP USD, UD. So, the more na tradable siya, the more na lower yung spread niya. Okay. Pero yung spread, guys, depende yan sa time, especially market close. I-discuss natin yan. Okay. So, compared sa mga exotic. In our community, we also trade XAUSD, US30, and BTC USD or Bitcoin. Okay? So, ito. USD. XAU is the code for gold. Okay. US30, ito yung top 30 companies represents America. So, US30, also known as DG30 or Dow Jones 30. Top 30 companies. Okay. So, ano yung mga time zone? Forex trading sessions in the Philippines. Sa Philippines lang tayo guys kasi iba-iba yung country niyo kano yung bahala mag-convert. Sa Philippines guys, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. yun yung open ng Tokyo or represents Asian sessions. London 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. New York 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. na ngayon I think kasi di ba may daylight. Okay. So ano yung pinakamagandang time mag-trade? 4 p.m., 8 p.m. pataas. 4 p.m., 8 p.m. pataas sa market. 4 p.m. maganda siya hanggang 5 lang. Maximum of 6 hindi na ako nag-trade. 4 p.m. to 5, yun yung window na maganda mag-trade. Bakit? Especially if you're scalping, doon gumagalaw yung market. Okay. Tanong kanina, mabilis ba magalaw? Depende sa galaw ng presyo. Okay? And then the volume and the which commands the volatility. Okay, so i-layman's lang natin para hindi ano. So kung maraming buyers, ibig sabihin gumagalaw. Maraming participants sa market, maraming bumibili, maraming nagsisell, mas magalaw yung market. So in terms of may mga news or high impact news, action takers or maraming nagbabuy or maraming nagsisell sa market kaya mabilis yung or mataas yung volatility niya. Okay, kaya tinatawag na high impact news. So, this is a very good questions. Magandang mag-trade. Ulitin ko, 4 p.m., 8 p.m. pataas. Normally, 4:30 p.m., 9 p.m. Yun yung pinakamagandang sweet spot ng magti-trade according sa Philippine time. Siyempre, maraming OFW. Kayo na bahala mag-convert. Okay. So, question. Question so far. Question? Question. Okay. May questions ba kayo? So, well, having some questions, putting some questions, guys. Ano muna ako tawag nito, ano muna, break muna and mayroon an interview during break. Okay?
Just like sa isang OFW, that I'm happy. I'm so happy.
Guys, pwede kayo maglagay ng questions. I'll answer this one. Short break muna.
Nakita ko yung screenshot niya kahapon. Kita nyo naman pangalan niya. Nag-withdraw siya sa Light Finance, 1,060. Ito guys, is withdrawal na to talaga. So withdrawal. So nawi-withdraw niya talaga to 671 and then 793. Nag-message siya dun sa community namin, sa GC na mga members. In 1 week, 2,524 in 1 week. Palakpak naman dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome si Ma'am Jedaline. How are you, Ma'am Jedaline? Good evening.
Hello everyone. Good evening sa Pilipinas and good afternoon dito sa UAE.
So, nasa UAE pala si Ma'am Jed. Ma'am,
Yes,
sabi nila, ay nasa abroad daw, marami daw pera, hindi na kailangan mag-sideline, hindi na kailangan mag-forex.
hindi naman totally, sir. So actually 6 years na din ako dito and I'm a government employee. So
Okay.
full-time, 8 hours. Actually sideline lang dati itong forex eh. So actually,
Guys, by the way, hindi pa tayo tapos ha. Nag-break lang tayo and then while taking a break, tingnan nyo muna yung interview ko with an OFW na na-join sa community. After the break, guys, ibibigay ko sa inyo yung bonus. Bakit kailangan ko mag-break? Magsiset up ako, guys. I'm going to show you one of our cheat codes sa community na live sessions. Okay, so okay kung mag-access. So papakita ko sa iyo kung paano kami mag-trade using live sessions. That bonus, hindi namin ito pinakita kasi lahat ito pinakita lang sa VIP community. But for now, pwede nyo masilip, pwede nyo makita how we trade with Abdallah. Kaya si-set ko while we're having a break. At the same time, after this one, magbibigay ako ng assignment sa inyo kung anong gagawin natin in preparation for our trade execution tomorrow. Okay?
nag-start ako siguro mga last week ng October. So
Okay.
almost 5 months na din.
Pero ma'am,
Continuous
wait
pa
lang,
rin
ma'am.
yung training.
Nagtatrabaho ka sa UAE, sa Dubai, right?
Yes, sir.
And then, okay lang ba konting personal life mo, you're a mom. So at the same
Yes.
time, inaalagaan mo kasi minsan di ba nag-zoom tayo, parang inawak-awakan mo yung anak mo. So you're working,
Yes.
at the same time, you're a mom, of course, you're a wife. Mayroon kang responsibility sa work mo, mayroon kang responsibility sa family mo. Kaya bang isabay itong forex trading at the same time busy ka sa work mo dyan?
Yes, coach. Only time management lang talaga. So usually, after ng work, pag medyo may break time, ayan, nagda-trade ako manual.
Wow.
So, then after uwian, nagda-trade din ako since 4 p.m. dito yun yung opening ng New York session, which is yung magandang time talaga. I-discuss ko mamaya yung mga tips kung paano ko na-achieve yung strategy ko.
Wow, grabe. Baka pwede ma-invite sa Chart Mastery. May bagong coach at speaker na tayo, guys. Welcome yan kasi that's the purpose of the community. Ma'am, ganito. I talked with you before bago ka nag-enroll na
Yes,
mayroon
sir.
sanang community na sasalihan mo. Medyo mahalang doon. I think 1,500 USD.
Yung standard
Hindi ka
is
ba namahalan sa enrollment natin na 149 USD?
Well, actually, ito na lang siguro yung pinakamura as in. Kasi marami ng mga din dito, community na nagbibigay ng trainings, which is napakamahal, yung 999 trainings yon, webinar din actually, which is for me, masyadong mahal talaga. So, I found out Coach Nars through Facebook din. And eto, may results na ako, which is
Wow.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy nag-breakthrough ka. 2,500 in 1 week, malaking kita yan. That's a very good result.
Yes,
But
Coach.
bago natin pag-usapan yan, I know na inaral mo rin, I know na inaral mo rin itong sa community natin. Nag-attend ka ba? Inaral mo ba yung ECA? Nag-attend ka ba sa mga webinar natin? Paano ka natuto
Yes.
sa community?
Actually, yung mga Saturday trainings na kinakandak nila Coach Nonoy, actually, isa yun sa
Saturday
naging
trainings, Chart Mastery.
Yes, yung especially yung sa mga technical indicators, yung ginagamit ko yung RSI, yung stochastic. And of course, yung Manara na, which is part ng ECA. Doon ako
Wow.
nagkukuha ng idea, nagbabalidate ako ng confirmation kung anong bias ba, buy ba or sell. Kasi doon may nakalagay ng technical indicator na strong buy or strong sell, which is yun yung pinaka naging advantage ng ng academy. For me ha. And then aside from that, yun yung mga lang din, yung tips ko lang. Nagta-trade ako through opening ng UK session, which is 4 p.m. ata sa
4
Pinas.
p.m.
And then
Okay.
New York session, 9 p.m. So, doon maganda yung volume. Doon ako sumasabay sa mga timings ng trading that time.
Take note nyo yan, guys. Importante yon. 4 p.m. PH time. PH time na lang kasi mayroon din taga-Russia, taga-Hong Kong. 4 p.m. PH time, same kayo ni Coach Nonoy. Sa kanya, ganun din. At saka 9 p.m., 9:30 ako, doon ako magti-trade. Ma'am, I know, hindi ka lang kumita ngayon. I know before, your first month, I think, I heard that, I'm not sure, 200 USD or I'm not sure na at least sa first month mo kumita ka rin. Nabawi mo na kaagad yung 149. Tama ho ba?
Actually, sir, 2 days,
2 days lang?
after 1 week na nag-aral ako, then 2 days nag-live, actually 300 na agad yung kinita.
Wow, grabe. Palakpak naman
So,
natin dyan. Inaral niya, nag-live siya guys, 2 days lang. Kumita na siya kaagad ng 300 USD. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin kanina, Coach, kaya ba kung kikita ba ako dyan ng 100 USD lang para may pangbayad ako sa monthly? Sabi ko, bro, I promise you kung aaralin mo talaga. Kasi ito talaga ang sekreto dito, aralin lang talaga. So guys, after inaral niya, after siya nag-live trading, 2 days, kumita siya ng 300. Ngayon, grabe, big time na si Madam. Big time yung mga taga-Sahara. 2,500. Sa peso yun, ika-convert mo sa peso yun, 1 week nakita mo. Magkano yun sa peso?
146,000 ata, 146K.
146,000 in
Yes.
peso. Parang 1 month na dyan sa ibang nagtatrabaho sa UAE. Parang
Mas malaki pa sa sahod ko.
Ilang oras ka ba nagtitrade, if you don't mind? 30 minutes a day? 1 hour a day?
Pagka hapon, siguro 30 minutes ganun.
30 minutes lang.
Tapos sa gabi din, pag free, mga 1 hour to 2 hours. Ganun.
Wow,
Pero hinahayaan
nag-trade
ko
ka
lang.
pala. Kasi yung iba, 15 minutes lang tapos na. Ako, nasa mga lang ako, not more than 30 minutes sa kanila. Ma'am, are you saying that ang training natin sa community at yung mga tools na ma-access natin sa economy, are you saying na sulit at masasabi mo ba talaga na malaking itulong ito sa trading journey mo?
Yes, very sulit siya, sir, actually, kasi isa siya sa naging way kung paano ako kumita. Especially itong mga libreng trainings na kinakanda. Malaking tulong din to. So, psychologically, you have to have self-control din para maiwas yung greediness.
Can you hear
Like
me, guys?
this one
Everybody
na
can hear me.
mag-overtrading. Kaya I invite someone kung i-invest nyo na lang naman sa mga copy trading or sa mga mag-i-invest ng money, invest on yourself to study. Kahit ako ngayon na continuous learning pa rin.
Give me 1 second.
And
Give me
until
1
now,
second.
nag-a-attend pa rin ako ng
Alright, guys, I need to stop kasi nandito niya yung bonus. Okay. For the first time, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang tinatawag natin na live trading sessions. Okay? This is our live trading.
No.
Are you seeing this one? Nakikita nyo ba? Hindi pa siya nagsasalita, but i-increase ko yung volume ko. So ito na guys, live ito. This is Mr. Abdallah Harfuch, one of our master traders guys. Every night po ito
So let's see.
sa mga VIP community yung mga nakapag-enroll po. So ito na, nag-set up na siya, na nagtitrade tayo ng US30. Hindi namin ito pinapakita sa lahat. This is my first time.
Let's see what we have.
Na pinapakita
Let's see what
ko.
we have. As you can
So-
see, guys, here,
You can see,
a potential resistance area,
gumawa siya ng
but
support at resistance.
breaking
Ito yung
this
setup niya.
area can push it
Nag-explain siya
up.
na kung ang market pag mag-break dito sa taas, mag-buy tayo. Okay? And then ang market pag mag-break dito sa baba, mag-sell tayo. So, but before ka pumasok dito guys, mayroon tayong trading rules na ibibigay namin sa inyo na aralin mo muna bago ka makapasok dito. Okay guys, nakita
The
niyo
other
naman. Can you
side,
see it?
breaking
Can you see
this
it?
support area here,
Can you see? Nakikita? Okay.
can push it further down.
Another good thing about this one guys is
So let's see which
maintindihan
one
mo or
is
ma-experience mo
going to
first
be
hand mong makikita
or
paano
not to
mag-set
be,
up ang mga master traders. Ito yung master
to be
traders
or not
guys.
to be.
Kasi
So let's
20
see.
years na siya sa
Is it
financial
gonna all
market.
go up or is it gonna resume down? Let's see what we will have.
Nalagay na siya ng setup.
Getting ready.
The green is the
Here we
trade
are.
zone. Ito, the
I
green
am
is the
here.
trade zone. Pag mag-break
You
out
are
dito
there.
guys,
Let's see.
trade
I'm
tayo.
just kidding. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Trade.
2 days left for the Equilibrium Summit. I'm hyperactive. Okay, guys. Now everybody
Pag
started
mag-trade,
to
trade. Okay, ito na,
reach
marami
here,
nang
Dubai.
nag-ready.
waiting our
Titingnan
CEO
natin guys kung
tomorrow.
ano yung takbo yung market.
And everybody is reaching
But
our
it seems
lovely
that it's going
Dubai.
for buy.
So let's see. 28 seconds left.
So, ang gagawin mo lang guys,
Did you
sasabay
get
ka
your
lang sa kanya.
online ticket? If you
You
didn't,
don't
oh
need
my
to add,
God.
especially if this
Anyway,
is very good for
so
new
let's
traders.
see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see.
Kasi
Here
sasabay
we
ka
are,
lang.
new candle ahead. If
So,
it
mas madali
opens,
lang, hindi
makes
ka
a
na
wick down,
mag-analyze.
and then
But
start to
this
push
one is
up,
ma-access mo
it
sa mga
will be
VIP.
our potential buy.
Potential
Here it
buy daw,
is,
sabi
new
niya.
candle.
Be ready for potential buy.
3, 2,
Scalping lang
please
to guys,
open, make a
scalping.
wick down and fly up.
Hopefully,
Fly
we're
up,
going to
fly
have a
up.
good market.
You misunderstand me,
Wow.
guys.
Wow, nag-drop.
Candle,
Nag-drop.
you misunderstood me. Tab okay down. Getting ready
Drop.
for the sell.
Getting ready for sell. Pag mag-breakout
This
guys
is gonna
dito,
go down. Getting
sell
ready
yan,
for the
sell.
sell.
One, op,
Getting ready for the
Ready?
sell.
may sikreto rito guys kung paano siya sabayan.
Is it gonna break down? Breaking
Break down.
down. Took the
Sell.
sell. Wow,
Sell.
5 pips, 10 pips,
Sell.
7 pips. Oh my God,
Close.
closing the
Close.
straight. I love it.
Yan.
Oh, but I
Yun
opened.
lang.
Oh, look. Oh, I opened gold and US 30. I closed both.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Guys, close.
Nice
Di
sell
ba?
for the
Kanina.
US 30, guys. Nice sell, guys. Congrats.
So, baka
Congrats
sabay dito,
for
guys,
whomever
kung hindi
took
nag-join
this
sa
lovely,
webinar
lovely,
natin,
lovely, lovely, lovely,
Mag-post kayo ng
lovely,
mga
lovely
post
sell.
sa GC namin.
Congrats.
Ganun lang kadali. Sabay mo dito,
Congrats.
sell ka.
What a lovely sell. What a lovely sell. Who took this lovely sell, guys?
Who took this lovely
Who
sell?
took this love? Oh my God! First, I click on the gold, and then I closed. I click. I click on the US 30 and gold. I took the US 30 and took the gold both. Oh my God! This was crazy. This was crazy. This was so fast, but it was so crazy.
Diba? So, ito na, oh. So, yan lang.
It keeps
Ganun
happening
lang
to me, by
kadali,
the way.
guys.
I don't know why.
Sabay ka lang sa
Don't
kanya,
ask me.
mabilisan.
Don't-
Pero may
I don't
practice
know.
dyan
I
kung
have
paano.
no
Kung-
idea. Don't
Wow.
ask me. It keeps happening to me.
Grabe.
Oh,
Ang bilis. Ang
This
bilis.
is when you are taking it fast.
Wow, ito na. Nag-heart na yung mga naka-take profit, guys.
Come on.
Magsisend na yan ng mga ano. Ganun lang kadali. Ganun lang kabilis.
So let's
Pero
see what's gonna
kailangan-
happen after the US Open.
Kailangan access
Let's
lang
see
yung-
what's gonna happen after the US Open.
At least nakita nyo na.
What a lovely
Actually,
sell.
wala
What
pa talaga.
a
Hindi pa ito yung
lovely
action kasi usually
sell.
yung action is 9:30, 9:35. Yun yung action. So what a lovely sell, yun lang. Pag sinasabi niya na sell, sell ka lang. Tapos pag close, close ka lang. Pero may ituturo din kami sa inyo na strategy.
What a
yung
lovely
rules
sell.
para
Guys, we
mas
took the
mabilis
sell
yung
here.
Alright? Copy? Copy.
More.
What a lovely sell.
No, no, only that one. One more.
Now here. I
One.
took first the gold and then I took the
Alright.
I closed the
Nakuha? Nakuha?
the gold and
Okay, let's go for...
now I took the
Let's
gold
continue.
and but by mistake
Mamaya ka na, continue tayo sa webinar natin. Yun yung bonus guys, nakita nyo, ganun lang kabilis talaga. Okay, ganun lang kabilis talaga. May questions, paano mag-enroll guys? Guys, sa enrollment, by the way, yung hindi pa nag-join sa GC, mag-reply kayo ng I joined the webinar sa Facebook page. May nagbigay ng link, naka-join kayo tonight, mag-reply kayo ng I joined the webinar para makapag-join ka sa GC. Sa GC kasi, meron kang access sa mga free trainings, mga free information like this one. And then, may nag-question, saan papunta yung enrollment? Papunta yung enrollment sa company sa Iconic. Sa Iconic, yung provider ng tools at trainings natin like ECA, AI chart patterns, at saka itong live trading sessions. So, sa sila papunta. Bali, yung goal mo dyan is aaralin mo muna, may access ka muna sa informations and knowledge before ka mag-trade kasi delikado yung capital mo kung hindi mo alam kung anong ginagawa mo. Okay. Pamute na lang. Mute natin. Okay. So, pasend naman yung record. Okay, I'll bibigyan kayo yung record. Make sure na naka-join ka sa GC. So, kung wala ka pa sa GC kasi nagbigay ng link sa Facebook page, pag-reply ka ng join the webinar para sa GC ka, pwede mong ma-review. Okay. Sir, magkano po enrollment money sa Philippine Money? Sa mga 10,000. Once ma-enroll sa inyo, pwede bang umpisahan yung pagtitraining ng trade? Actually, pwede hindi ka mag-enroll, pwede kang mag-trade. Bukas mag-trade tayo. Yun nga lang, hindi mo alam kung paano mo gawing profitable. Kasi yung strategies wala pa tinturo. Okay. Yun yung gagawin natin. Congrats, sir. Entry at exit, paano pa matuto? Bukas po, bukas. Okay. Guys, ito yung assignment ninyo. Are you ready for the assignment? Are you ready for the assignment? Assignment, guys. Assignment. Assignment is that tomorrow we will have a trade execution training. So para makasabay ka sa workshop namin na trade execution training, di ba may tao nag-add sa inyo sa GC? May tao nag-add sa inyo sa GC. Hihingi ka sa kanya ngayon ng tutorial at link kung paano mag-create ng account sa broker kung wala ka pang broker. Ulitin ko. Tomorrow, dapat meron ka ng account na MT5 para maka-attend ka ng workshop. Free lang naman ito. Maka-attend ka ng workshop. Anong broker na yung VT Markets? Okay. Top broker in Europe, Australia, and in Middle East. Okay. So, magbibigay kami ng link. Nagbibigay din kami ng tutorial sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin. Yung assignment mo for tonight and tomorrow morning. Okay. For Philippine time. And then before ka mag-start tomorrow sa session 2 natin, kailangan alam mo na mayroon ka ng MT5, then mayroon ka ng broker na link na para makasabay ka sa tinatawag natin na trade execution. Kung saan doon ang pipindutin, paano mag-entry, paano mag-exit tomorrow, step by step ipapakita namin sa inyo. Copy yung assignment. So mag-ask ka sa person, usually guys, nasa mga coaches ka, inner coaches na, mga coaches na inner circle ko. So mayroon silang mga link, ibibigay sa iyo, then mayroon ding tutorials, ibibigay sa iyo kung paano mag-create ng account. Okay, so i-message mo sila, coach, ganyan, pwede ba ako mag-ask ng link? I want to create account. Okay. So, bakit si VT Markets? Yes, VT Markets, okay lang ba? No, VT Markets is registered in Canada. Okay, in fact, top siya sa Canada. No issues in Canada. Mayroon tayong community sa Canada. Bakit VT Markets? Yun yung ginagamit ko. For our strategies, the DG30 is almost zero yung spread. Nakita niyo naman kanina. Ang gagawin mo lang kapag ka nag-enroll ka na sa VIP, pumasok ka lang doon, sasabayan mo lang yung trade. So it's like, you go with a master trader, so mabilis lang. Kahit hindi, it helps na marunong ka sa technical analysis, but it takes time to learn technical analysis. So, ang goal natin dito, because of cheat codes, guys, and strategies natin, mabilis kang kumita. Habang nagli-learn ka pa lang, kikita ka na sa forex trading. Sino dito gusto? Hanggang magli-learn, kikita na. Kasi mayroon pa rin tayong tinatawag na mga AI tools. Okay? So, yun yung gagawin natin. Copy ba yung assignment natin? Kuha ba yung assignment? Kopya ba yung assignment natin? Okay. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Bukas. Okay. But, hindi pa tayo tapos. I-final ko lang yung slide ko to make it, at saka I'll answer also questions. So, that's for manual trade. So, kung busy ka talaga, pwede kang mag-AI trade. Pwede mong gawing AI trade, itong wealth builder, ang initial capital is 300 or while learning manual trade. Mayroon din tayong, ito, another natin is yung gold scalping. Okay, meron din tayong gold scalping. Nawala yung ko sa gold scalping na for our AI, wealth gainer, no, wealth gainer natin na nag-average ng 10% gain per month. So yun yung AI trade natin. Ito, AI trade. Hindi nabasa. Okay. So, example, mayroon kang 500,000. Guys, this is good kung may pera ka talaga. Gusto mong mag-grow, wala kang gagawin. This is good kung may capital ka talaga. Kasi if ever mayroon kang 100,000, 500,000, kahit nagigain niya ng 10% monthly, mayroon kang 50,000 monthly na walang ginagawa. So, yun yung ano natin. So, ito yung mga results ng AI trade natin, marami. And of course, sa community natin, guys, mayroon tayong tinatawag na strategies, no, bonus sections sa ano natin community. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na ito pala yung ano natin, AI natin. Medyo mahina yung internet ko kaya hindi nag-project. Okay. So mayroon tayong strategies, dalawang scalping strategies, kasama yun yung live sessions. And then mayroon tayong chart mastery bonus yan sa community natin. Okay? So may projector na went well pero didn't went well rather. Pero nakalimutan yung password AI good ko. Pwede ka AI, guys, si AI maganda. Pero hindi siya super aggressive to safeguard your money protection. Kasi marami ding AI na super aggressive siya at nasusunugan ka. So especially sa atin, yung AI natin is more than 1 year na yung track record. So very safe. Pero kukunin lang kahit sometimes 7% lang. Pero sino magbibigay sa 7% monthly na wala kang ginagawa? Pero kung gusto mo talaga na dublihin yung pera mo, yung parang maliit lang yung capital, malaki yung kita mo, I suggest aralin mo yung manual trading. Sir, paano mo pa mag-deposit sa broker? Same. Okay, don't worry, magbibigay tayo ng tutorials dyan. May makompleto tayong tutorials dyan para step by step guide mo. Safe mo ba sa AI? Yes. Safe sa AI natin. Unang-una kasi more than 1 year na yung track record. Number 2 kasi low risk tayo. Anong ibig sabihin, Lord? Konti lang yung kukunin natin. May mga AI na hindi safe. That's true. We have a separate training for that, for AI. But I would say, guys, for more than 1 year ng AI natin, walang nasusunugan. Walang nasusunugan. Lahat, close trades, lahat yan profitable. Okay? Pero maliit lang. No? Like I said, nag-average lang tayo ng 10% equity gain per month. Pwede bang malink magbayad yung 114? 179 na bro. 179. Parang di ko na kaya na mag-solo. Need ko help ng AI. Pwede. Pwede kayo can do AI, then you can do manual. Pwede bang ibang broker bukas? Pwede kung mayroon ka na existing broker, walang problema. But yung wala mga broker, I suggest na dito tayo sa broker namin para at least man lang may konting din. Guys, bakit ko ito yung ginagawa? Kasi mayroon akong affiliate programs and mayroon ako a little bit commission sa company at sa mga, just a little bit lang naman, just to compensate everything. Alam naman, hindi madali magturo. Plus, itong ituturo natin, hindi ito madaling maintindihan. So, kung hindi mo talaga alam ano yung ginagawa mo, kaya konti lang yung nagturo ng mostly may bayad talaga kasi hindi ito madaling intindihin. Pwede bang sumabay sa demo account workshop bukas? Yes, pwede. Demo lang guys, demo lang bukas, demo. Kasi training pa ito, training. Ano pang gagamitin yung budget bukas? Cellphone. I recommend, you can do desktop. Pero guys, listen. Bago pa lang, di ba? Anong gusto mo? Mahirap, madali. So, doon tayo sa madali. So, ang pinakamadali, cellphone. Plus, pwede ka mag-trade kahit saan ka, nagbakasyon ka, pwede. Kahit nasa supermarket ka, nasa SM ka, pwede. Hindi ka naman magdadala ng laptop kung saan ka napupunta. Ako nga, minsan kapag may open trade ako scalping, kahit nag-CCR ko, dinadala ko yung laptop ko. Para kung halimbawa, magko-close yung trade ko, maka-close ko. Okay? Wow, bumalik. Woo! Sarap mag-trade pag ganito. May volatility, may volume. Okay. Pero ako tapos na akong nag-trade. Guys, this is my trade history. Papakita ko sa inyo. Trade history. Trade ko kanina. Today. Okay, today. Sell yan, sell. Mayroong isang pula, dalawang pula, tatlong pula, pero siguro 20 trades. Tatlong pula. Not bad. 90% win rate, guys. Ituturo namin sa inyo kung paano yung ginagawa. So, magkano yung monthly subscription? If you enroll in 179 USD, yung monthly mo dyan is 120. So, around 8,000 pesos. Pero guys, huwag kang mag-enroll kung you're not serious. Kung hindi ka seryoso matuto sa forex trading, if hindi ka seryoso na kumita gamit ang cellphone mo, huwag kang mag-enroll. Kasi this is only for those who are serious talaga. Bakit mo kailangan mag-enroll? Guys, I cannot guide you all the way na magbibigay ako ng training in 1 week tapos wala akong di ba? I mean, let's face it, it's business, okay? So, what you want you guys is mag-enroll ka kasi meron tayong tinatawag na cheat codes, meron kang access na 2 academy, sa ECA, sa Iconic, at saka sa atin yung Chart Mastery. At then, meron kang access sa tools, kagaya kanina, isa sa mga tools natin yan, meron kang access sa Master Trader. So yan pa lang, sasabayan mo pa lang yan, bawi na yung 179 mo kasi pwede kang kumita dyan ng 100, 200 USD, 300 USD. Meron kang kumita dyan, 1,000 USD isang araw. Yun pa lang, bawing-bawi ka na. Okay, guys, put your questions here. Pwede ba mag-ask ng link kahit di pa nagbayad? For tomorrow, what do you mean link? Yes, you can ask link. To create an account, yes, you can create account. Our assignment tomorrow, ask you someone who add you in GC. Bibigyan ka namin ng link kung paano mag-create ng account. Okay? I-message sila. Huwag kang maya. I-message sila. Alam nila. Sir bro, galing ako sa workshop with Coach Nars. Pwede bang pahingi ng link mo sa broker at saka yung tutorials para alam ko kung paano mag-create ng account. Yun lang. VT din market ko. Connect na sa 25. That's good. Pwede na lang mag-trade. Okay. On for enrollment, good 1 month. Pwede po ba sa link mabaya? Okay. Required po ba mag-enroll para maka-join sa session tomorrow? No, you don't need required. It's free. Free po. Hindi. Basta interested ka lang na gusto yung mag-learn further. Okay. You don't need to enroll to join the sessions tomorrow kasi this is part of our 2-day challenge. Libre po yan bukas. Okay. Bakit ka mag-enroll? Yun lang. Yung parang talaga, mayroon kang access sa cheat codes. Mayroon kang access sa mga master traders natin. Mayroon kang access sa mga AIs natin. AIs, no? AI for AI tools, ganyan. Yun yung access mo sa pag-enroll. Sir, gaano po katagal yung trade dyan? 20 trades. Kanina, actually, 2 sessions dyan. Maximum of 15 minutes lahat yan. Kasi nagle-layering ako. 15 minutes layering. Ibig sabihin, 1 trade, isang basa, pwede akong mag-3 trades. 1, 2, 3, bang. 2 buy, bang. Tapos pag react ng market, mag-grid, not grid, grid na RAD, or layering. Mag-layering ako dyan. So, pumaldo yata, Coach Nars, alhamdulillah, mayroon akong link kay Angel, yes. Tomorrow, yun yung assignment tomorrow, okay. Question guys, question sa natin kanina. Hindi nyo nakuha kaagad? Yes, normal yan, don't worry. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-enroll kasi yung mga trainings natin guys, web-based, pwede mo siyang paulit-ulitin. Tapos mayroon tayong technical analysis guys, exclusive sa community natin. Yung technical analysis guys, tawag natin Chart Mastery. Ito yung kind of training na binabayaran 30,000, 50,000 para makapag-enroll. Okay, technical analysis. Sir, gano'ng katagal ang training pag nag-i-enroll ka? 1 month yan, 1 month. 1 month yung training mo. At your own pace. So this is still good than 3 days. This is still good than 5 days. This is still good than 7 days kasi 1 month. Lahat yan ibibigay namin sa inyo. Plus, i-add ka namin sa VIP community. Ano yung VIP community? Lahat na mag-enroll, mayroon tayong sariling community GC. Okay, lahat. Pwede ka magtanong doon kasi same ang experience. Paano mag-withdraw, paano mag-deposit, paano blah, 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 and so on. May strategies, pwede ka magtanong doon. May mga strategies na ilalapag tayo. Just like bukas, Saturday. Meron kaming training but this is exclusive for VIP community. Ang training namin is Mastering Psychology and Proven Indicators na ilalapag namin sa mga VIP communities. Proven Indicators, effective indicators for scalping. Saturday yan, but yung Saturday is exclusive na training yan sa mga VIP o mga nag-enroll. Sir, magkano usually minimum amount for trading? Okay, very good question. Guys, kahit marami kayong pera, I recommend start ka muna ng 100 USD or around 5,000 pesos. Yun lang muna. 'Di ba? And then, paano ka kumita ng malaki? Kung alam mo na mag-scale ka, walang problema. Or palakihin mo yung capital mo. Di ba magaling ka na? Kung magaling ka na, maging magaling ka na. So, business yan. Kailangan mo ng capital para, kumita ng malaki. So, ganun yung principle ng business. Kung gusto mong maraming anihin, dagdagan mo. But, ang goal is wag muna. Ang goal is kailangan alam mo muna. Guys, ito yung journey mo. Una, kailangan matuto ka. Kaya kailangan mag-enroll. Okay? Pwede kang hindi mag-enroll. Yes, pwede. But guys, it takes time. I'll promise you, more than 6 months na journey yan. More than 6 months yung journey ko dati, hindi ka nag-enroll. Bakit? Sa enroll kasi may tamang training, may tamang strategies, ibibigay sa inyo, scalping strategies. May tamang tools, mga AI tools, ma-access nyo. May tamang trainers, like kanina si Abdallah, master traders. So lahat yan ma-access mo sa VIP community. So kaya mabilis kang matuto, madali kang maging profitable. Goal natin dyan, kung mabilis ka, fast earner ka, 2 weeks, break even ka na, kita ka na. 1 month, mayroon ba ang kumita sa amin dito ng 100,000 guys? 1 month, 2 weeks, naral, tapos nag-trade siya ulit, ganun lang. Nagkapital lang siya ng 4,000 pesos. Paano po kung mag-enroll, merong emergency at di ka makapag-attend ng trainings? Uulitin ko, yung trainings is web-based. Anong ibig sabihin ng web-based? Anytime mo ma-access, may password ka, may link ka, anytime mo ma-access. Okay? Ano yung swipe to trade enrollment option? Swipe to trade is part of our cheat codes. This is ideal for newbie. Kasi, di ba, medyo, ang MT5 is medyo kailangan mo talagang aralin. So, ang gagawin mo lang is swipe lang para mag-trade ka. So, ideal for, that's a different app na ginagamit namin na kalink sa MT5. I-explain namin yan pag nag-enroll na kayo. Coach, ano ulit yung training on Saturday? Ang training ng Saturday exclusive for VIP, mastering, ipopost ko. Ang training natin sa Saturday is mastering psychology. Mastering psychology. So, yun yung training natin sa Saturday. But exclusive yan sa mga nakapag-enroll. Kasi ituturo natin yan yung tamang proper mindset, yung tamang psychology. Kailan maging greedy, kailan ka matakot, kailan ka hindi matakot. Ano ba yung mga step-by-step guide. And ang bonus natin dyan guys bukas is lalapag ko yung tinatawag natin na ito yung training bukas. Okay. Mastering Psychology. Okay, yun yung training bukas. How can I join the GC in Canada? Emily, nasa GC na ka na ba or hindi pa? Or nag-enroll ka na ba? Kasi dalawa yung GC natin. Meron sa mga general and then meron sa mga VIP. Okay. So, you ask someone who add you. Emily, sinong nagbigay ng link sa inyo? Bakit ka naka-join? I-ask mo yon, a page or a person. Bakit ka naka-join sa webinar today? May nagbigay ng link, di ba? So, ask mo siya paano mag-join sa GC. Mayroon tayong GC sa Canada, mayroon tayong GC sa KSA, but those, ang ipapasok doon yung mga nag-enroll na. Okay? So, pag nag-start na po ng training, sir, para makapa-enroll, daily po ba ng training? O ulitin ko, web-based yung training natin. Kung gusto mong i-daily, walang problema kasi i-play mo lang yan, ma-access mo yan. Pero yung live trading sessions natin, yung kagaya kanina pinakita ko, daily yan, daily. Okay. Saan makikita yung Mastering Psychology? Enrolled na po. Okay, magbibigay ako ng doon sa VIP community. VIP community. Actually guys, itong trading psychology, hindi ko pa in-announce doon sa VIP community but expected na nila na yun. Basta every Saturdays, mayroon yung trainings na ibibigay natin 8 p.m. PH time sa mga VIP yun. Expected na nila yun, may trainings talaga. Pero ang bonus ni Saturday, kung makapag-enroll kayo tomorrow, maka-join kayo sa training bukas, ang bonus is share namin isa sa mga pinaka-proven strategy ng scalping with indicators ibibigay namin dyan sa training sa Saturday. Okay? Okay. I think that would be all for tonight. Kung wala na kayong mga question, guys. Guys, please understand. Yes, I know. Hindi mo yan makuha lahat. Hindi ko yan nakuha lahat. It took me more than 2 years to be profitable in forex trading. Because dati walang cheat codes. Walang tamang training, self-study lang, walang community na ganito. Kaya I am very passionate with helping the community. So, kapag ka nag-enroll ka, ilang days ka pwedeng kumita. Mostly guys, yung mga fast learner, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 days nga lang yung iba. Okay? So, depende sa iyo, depende sa dedication mo, depende kung sa learning process mo. Okay. So, yes, ulit-ulitin mo yan, mayroon tayong trainings. Kaya kailangan talaga mag-enroll para makuha mo anytime. Tapos sa pag-enroll, meron tayong advanced, meron tayong basic, meron tayong advanced, and meron tayong masterclass. Nakapag-withdraw po kami using bank account namin dito sa Canada. Yes. Yes, and it should be. Or need namin ang open account sa Philippines? No. Remember, Suset, trading is not based on the Philippines. Trading is international. So may mga banking, ang tawag dyan, financial institution na nakalink for international. You can even transact with your BTC or your Bitcoin or your crypto assets. Okay. So no question kung Pilipinas ba or international. That's not a question anymore because forex trading itself is international. Hindi siya Pilipinas. In fact, wala tayong rules sa Pilipinas. Hindi pa tayo regulated at walang broker sa Pilipinas na forex trade naka-base sa Pilipinas. Kapag nag-enroll lifetime membership po, katatapos na namin bro, 1 month. If you want to continue, that's optional. Okay, that's optional. Okay. Guys, maraming salamat. Thank you for joining. Sana may natutunan kayo. May natutunan ba? Guys, can you do me a favor? Can you type positive comment lang doon sa mga GCs kung saan nandun kayo? Just say thank you or na-appreciate nyo yung mga webinar. Bye guys! By the way, before kayo mag-close, can you open your camera? Picture taking muna tayo, guys. And then, can you do me a favor, guys? If you appreciate this one, since you joined it for free, and then, can you drop some positive reviews in the GCs na at least, di ba, naka-attend kayo ng training for free. Thank you for, ito naman, ang gaganda pala. Ang gaganda. Ay, ito pala si Ma'am Naima. Ma'am Naima, we have pending transactions, tama? So mamaya, hindi ko nakalimutan yon. Yung nag-chat tayo late kanina. Okay. So nandito si Coach Dave, ang pupogi. Okay, I think Coach MJ also here. Coach Jimbro. Sino pa ba? Yung core group natin. By the way, nandito si Coach Jeff kanina. Congratulations. Okay, guys. Eto, picture muna. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, next page. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, wala nang mga camera sa next page, guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow, same time, same link, pero magbibigay din ako ng link doon. Pwede maka-join yung mga bago. Okay? So I hope you guys you learn. Yeah, for our training tonight, do me a favor, send some positive comments doon sa mga GCs natin. God bless everyone. Happy trading. And thank you for joining. To God be the glory.